Welcome back, everybody, to our Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special, in which we're going to do a 3-strikes game of The Price is Right 2010 edition on the Nintendo Wii. Let's see how much cash and prizes we can rack up. But just remember, if at any point I mess up, you're going to hear the following sound. Let's hear it one more time. Let's hope that doesn't happen too many times. Let's see if we can take down the Cho.
Here it comes from the Bob Barker Studio at CBS in Hollywood. Television's most exciting hour of fantastic prizes. The fabulous 60-minute Price is Right. Come on down. You're the next contestant on The Price is Right.
3 Strikes edition. Let's see if we can win a bundle in cash and prizes today.
Your goal is to win as much money and fabulous prizes as you can before getting 3 strikes. Welcome to Contestants Row. Here is the item.
It's new cookware. The Chantal collection goes from the stove or oven to the table with style. Their high-quality cookware and color-coordinated ceramics are designed to enhance every meal. Chantal performs beautifully.
It's your turn to bid. The actual retail price is
$8.23.
Come up on stage.
Off to a good start. What are we playing for?
Let's see what you'll be playing for.
Chalet's Alpine folding camping trailer. You can quickly pop up the spring-loaded roof on this 16-foot trailer and lift the A-shaped walls for an all-season camping chalet of your own.
All right.
You can win it playing Spelling Bee. Pick a card from the board.
I'll take the 8.
Let's place it here.
And the 23.
Pick a card from the board. Let's place it here. You can win up to 3 more cards.
Clean and deodorize your pet with Pet Groom Pro, the ionic cleaning brush that emits millions of cleaning ions as you brush. Pet Groom Pro even has a snap-off face plate for easy cleaning.
What do you...
$20?
Yes, it's within 10. Pick a card from the board.
Give me the 3.
Let's place it here.
Second, slicing one ingredient after another is easy with a salad slicer.
36.
The action yes, it's
All
within.
Right.
Pick a card from the board.
Give me 7.
Let's place it here.
Enjoy your favorite TV shows or listen to tunes with this
That's
all-in-one
definitely
boombox with 5-inch TV.
The action yes, it's within 10. Pick a card from the
I'll
board.
take the 12.
Let's place it here.
Let's repeat.
You can eat.
C.
You
R.
You got an A.
Got
you
it.
spelled car. You win.
$11,880. Bring us up right down to $12,792 as we get ready for the showcase showdown.
It's time for the Showcase Showdown. Spin the wheel.
Here we go. Showcase showdown. And we start off with a dime. I'm going to spin again.
10. Would you like to spin again?
Well, yeah. A dime plus 20 is 30. I'm not feeling too good about this. But let's go to Sharon anyway. Stranger things have happened here, though. $65.
65.
Yeah, she wins. That showed. No showcase yet.
Welcome to Contestants Row.
It's a new pool table.
Nice.
The entire family can have hours of fun with this fabulous pool table. It's finished in a light English oak and comes with an accessory package from Golden West Billiard.
It's your turn
I'll
to
take
bid.
2,800. 3,002. Okay. 1,900. How about it, Edward?
The actual retail price is?
$21.95.
You lose.
Strike one.
This is your first strike. Don't worry, you still have 2 to go.
Just like that, we have our first strike.
Let's see what you'll be playing for.
It's a new sauna.
Nice.
The Health-Made Fire Infrared Sauna made of top-quality Canadian Western Red Cedar using fire infrared heaters with the latest technology. Innovating since 1979 from Health-Made Sauna.
You can win it playing double prices. In
I'm going to say
which
4,150.
What is the prices match? You win.
Another pricing game win. Let's go to another showcase showdown.
It's time for the Showcase Showdown. It's your turn to spin the wheel. $45. Would you like to spin again?
I get that 55. It's gonna go past it. Yeah, we got over.
You
Dang it.
Welcome to Contestants Row.
It's a pair of his and her watches. From Croton, a pair of 18-karat gold and stainless steel watches featuring Swiss-made movement of sapphire crystal and 100 feet water-resistant construction from Croton Watch Company.
Nice. Carol, 1,500. 810.
What is your bid?
I'll say 1,000.
The actual retail price is?
$1,350.
You lose.
Strike
You got your second strike. Be careful, one more and it's game over.
two. Not having much luck this game, unfortunately.
You're going to play most expensive first.
It's a beautiful lounge chair. This elegant lounge chair from Palachek's Tahoe collection is handcrafted from plantation-grown hardwood. The hand-woven seagrass back panel features a herringbone pattern from Palachek.
Next,
It's a new dishwasher. Fagor presents the stainless steel dishwasher with the advanced intelligence system, which efficiently regulates the consumption of water and energy while operating at an ultra-low noise level from Fagor America. Final. It's cool guitars. From Daisy Rock Guitars, 4 guitars and gig bags designed especially for girls. This unique assortment of high-quality instruments and books will inspire, delight, and entertain everything a girl needs to play guitar from Daisy Rock Guitars.
Let's play the guitar.
To win at most expensives, you selected this item.
Uh-oh, I think that one's the most expensive. Oh, boy. Lost.
It's not the most expensive. Sorry, you lose.
Well, it's our first pricing game loss, but oh well.
It's time for the Showcase Showdown. Spin the wheel. Five. Would you like to spin again?
A nickel plus 75 is 80. Okay.
80.
Here we go. Let's go to Carol. Showcase Showdown. $50.
50.
Just gotta get 30 cents to tie me, 35 to 50 to beat me. Carol, you're out! Bye-bye, show! Let's go to Patricia. $0.15.
15.
Patricia has to spin again. I don't know. To her 15, she'll add 45, 40 for total 55. You're out!
55.
Uh-oh, bye-bye, Joe! You're over! Not enough to beat me. Bye-bye, Joe!
Welcome to the Showcase.
We'd like to give you some tips on what not to do on a job interview. For instance, never start off an interview by saying you'll need your own office so you can take an hour-long nap twice a day in a new recliner. The space-saving Wilson recliner from Flex Steel combines quality construction with high-density cushions to bring you effortless comfort. Its smooth operation makes it easy for you to relax from Flex Steel. And it's never a good idea to tell a prospective employer you're going to need to start off with 17 weeks of vacation so you can enjoy your second home in beautiful Hawaii. You and a guest will fly a round-trip coach from Los Angeles to Honolulu, Hawaii for a 6-night stay in an ocean view room at the Waikiki Park Hotel. Elegant yet affordable, 100 yards from the beach and convenient to nearby shopping, dining, and entertainment from Waikiki Park Hotel. Finally, you should never go into an interview and insist that you're going to need your very own reserved parking space for your brand new car. It's a Dodge Magnum rear-wheel drive. Comes with standard equipment plus satellite radio and rear cargo organizer. And this showcase where it seems the interview has gone real well because they're going to keep your resume on file can be yours if the price is right.
You're the top winner. Will you bid on this showcase or pass it to the other player?
I'll bid. 30,606.
Your showcase begins with this lovely new dining room. The static heirlooms by Broyhill Dining Room pays homage to Hallmark Mission design elements. The look is vintage Mission. The craftsmanship is unmistakably Broyhill. Plus, beautiful stoneware and glassware. Noritaki's Color Wave stoneware and glassware are microwavable, oven and dishwasher safe, and feature a matte tan glaze on the outside rim and a fresh creamy color on the inside, giving your table a modern design from Noritaki. And you can serve your guest a delicious beverage made with this new cappuccino machine. A deluxe custom-made espresso and cappuccino machine finished in smooth brass with brass trim. And after dinner, you can listen to beautiful music being played on this new piano.
$12,998. Oh, I think she's under. Actual retail price of your showcase, $16,693. A difference of $3,695. Mine is worth $30,606. Got it on the nose.
You won both showcases.
Right.
Incredible.
$64,241.
Welcome to Contestants Row. Here is the item.
It's a new refrigerator and freezer. From Woods, this stylish stainless steel refrigerator and freezer set features contoured doors that open to reveal over 35 cubic feet of capacity. Energy Star qualified from Wood.
Jed bids $28.99. How about it, Michael? $25.30. Ellen? $3,000.
What is your bid?
$1.
This item's actual retail price is
$2,098.
come up on stage.
The $1 bid worked. $66,339.
You're going to play half off for a chance to win $10,000. To win, you need, if you correct,
A stylistic blast from the past meets modern technology on the CD stereo boombox. This realistic scale model Hummer electronic coin bank features working headlights and sound effects.
Which of these items' price is half off its actual retail price? Let's see.
The boombox.
Yes.
All right.
8 of your favorite dessert toppings spin round and round in this rotating carousel. Be prepared while being kind to the environment with this wind-up solar-powered radio.
Which of these items?
The radio.
Let's. Yes.
Revive your senses with this orange ginger scented body wash and lotion set that includes a sponge. This wristwatch also works as a two-way communicator all in one.
Which of these items' price is?
I'll say the bad stuff.
Yes.
7 or 15.
Pick the
I'm
box
feeling
you
7.
think.
Lucky 7. Let's do it. Lucky 7. Come on, baby.
You selected this one. Is it the winning box? Yes, you
All
win $10,000.
Another showcase showdown. We beat the shows last time. Let's see if we do it again here.
It's time for the Showcase Showdown. It's time to spin the wheel.
$55. We have to spin again.
55. Would you like to spin again?
$55 plus 15?
70.
70. That is tremendous. Let's go to Jed. Showcase showdown. Oh, but he wins with 95.
50.
Wait, no, he doesn't. He lands on 50. Never mind. For now. For now. Jed spins again. And to his 50, he'll add 30 for a total of 80. Now he's a chode. Chode, 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 chode. I'm not ready to play it again, my bad. That chode.
Welcome to Contestants Row.
It's lovely flatware.
Nice.
From Oneida, richly detailed, finely crafted flatware in the elegant Sheraton pattern, service freight, and comes with serving pieces. Oneida, your table is ready.
Alright.
It's your turn to bid.
1108.
This item's actual retail price is...
$11.85. Okay.
Come up on stage.
Alive.
You're going to play Hole-in-One for a chance to win $20,000.
Okay, 20 grand.
To win, you must sink the golf ball.
Alright.
I can't believe it's not butter original spray. Fresh butter taste at your fingertips with 0 grams fat, 0 calories, and no trans fat. 0 grams fat, 0 saturated fat per serving.
And this easy-to-assemble kit includes everything you need to make a charming gingerbread house. Clorox regular bleach whitens better than detergent alone. Refresh Tears is the easy answer for dry eye relief. Refresh Tears is fast-acting, long-lasting, so eyes feel good wherever you are. Use as directed.
Let's start with the Clorox.
Which of these items is the least expensive?
The butter.
Which of these items... Which of the...
The Refresh Tears and the Gingerbread House is the most expensive.
Let's... The... Great! Perfect!
Alright! This will get us close to $100,000.
You sunk the
Got it.
ball! You win!
$99,799. We're just $201 away from $100 grand as we go to another showcase showdown.
It's time for the Showcase Showdown! It's your turn to spin the wheel.
$75. I'll take it.
75. Would you like to spin again? Stand next to the wheel.
Start with Linda. Here we go. Showcase showdown.
$10.
A dime. She's gotta spin again. And she adds 80 for a total of 90. That showed.
90.
Chode, 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 chode.
Welcome to Contestants Row.
For the athlete in the family, this new hockey equipment. Get ready to hit the ice and set off the red light with a selection of ice hockey equipment that includes jerseys, skates, pucks, and more.
What is your bid?
$1,000.
This item's actual retail price is...
Strike 3, 14.
You lose. Oh no, this is your third strike. Sorry, but it's game over.
But nonetheless, we are walking away with $99,799, which isn't too bad. And we're going to go ahead and wrap it up for this segment of our Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special. And we'll come back and play some more games right after this break. We'll be right back.